Not too long ago, I posted a short video unboxing this Potensic Atom drone. I've had some people asking about it, so here I am making a longer video to share my honest review. Disclaimer: this is not a tech channel. I'm a first-time drone user, so I will not focus on the technical aspect. Setting up was easier than I expected. I downloaded the Potensic Atom app on my iPhone 14 Pro Max and followed the instructions. They were simple and easy to follow. Here I am on my front lawn practicing takeoff and landing. I was so nervous and worried that I would crash the drone on my first try, but thankfully, this drone is beginner-friendly. It's pretty easy to use even for a noob like me. Here, I'm testing the intelligent return to home feature. I placed a box as a takeoff and landing helipad. Upon return, the drone landed a few inches away from the box. It's not 100% accurate, but it's not bad either. I find that the safest way to land is to let it hover and then catch mid-air. After practicing takeoff and landing, I felt confident flying on a more open space. Here's what I've learned. 1. The drone will not take off when it's too windy. 2. Flying towards the sun will make the video appear dark. Just like what happens when you take photos against the light. On a low light setting, the drone video quality is about as good as the one taken from iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's not bad from a budget drone. I didn't really have high expectations from this, but I was really impressed with the video quality. There's so much more I need to learn and features I am excited to try. Overall, I'm satisfied and happy with Potensic Atom drone.
Thank you.